Hello everyone, I wanted to just give you a little sneak peek of what we're going to be doing in session 5 of Power Apps for Kids, Power Apps for Big Kids and Little Kids. So in the first part of the session we're going to have Matt Devaney. He's going to be talking about why we should be learning about Power Apps. We do this in every session. We're going to have a recap of the previous session, which was where Michelle created this really cool app, and we're going to have Michelle back on, and she's going to be doing 5 minutes to wow, which is all about how you can connect buttons and audio files together so you can have sounds working in your apps. We're going to do a little bit of lesson time. We haven't done anything too much on galleries so far, so we're actually going to do a little bit of lesson time on galleries, and that's going to lead us into the star of the show, which is going to be Matt Devaney this time, and he is going to be doing us an app, and it's going to be a quiz app, so that should be an awful lot of fun. So we hope to see you there. We're going to show you a little bit more about what we've been doing with the website, and yeah, all remains for me to say is just use the link that you can see there, aka.ms reactor power apps, and we hope to see you there tomorrow, 6 till 7 British summer time. Thanks.